Look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 3500 HD. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This Silverado 3500 HD boasts a 6.6-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Another great feature is that this vehicle uses flex fuel. Additional options for this vehicle include the light cashmere, dark cashmere, custom leather appointed front seat trim, GVWR, 13,025 pounds, 5908 kilograms, with dual rear wheels, emissions, federal requirements, rear axle, 3.73 ratio, seats, heated and cool ED driver and front passenger front bucket, LTZ Plus package, rear vision camera, trailering wiring provisions, for camper, fifth wheel and gooseneck trailer and the LPO, assist steps, chrome tubular, 6 inches oval. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.